We're super exciting, and you guys are coming along with us for all of it. Welcome to our view. Every time I stay at a different Airbnb, I swear I pick up little things and I'm like, oh, I want that in my house. And right now, I know I want this mirror. Watch this. Cool, right? I feel like I'm on one of those Vogue, like, do my makeup with me kind of thing, except I look like a rat because of my hair. Hello guys, or should I say aloha. We are officially in Hawaii and it is our first full day, which I am beyond excited for. It is our spring break right now. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along for a trip and vlog a lot of these memories because I think it'll be a really fun trip. This handmade ice cream was. Place your bag. It's really good though.
Yeah, it is really good.
It was in fact $10. Yeah. Pineapple coconut, because we tried to go taro pies from McDonald's because they're so good here. They were also out. We just hung out at the beach for a little bit. Now we are getting a little snacky and we're probably gonna go get dinner soon, but try to catch the sunset.
Recording. She was just picking her ear 5 seconds ago. She picks it till it bleeds. It's her new hobby. Little supermarket. We got on sale sushi. Always a good idea.
Should we do a blind taste test and see?
Oh, if we can guess what it is? Wait, let's do that. Let's actually do that. Okay, she's gonna try it and see if she can guess it. To see if she has taste. Honestly, I don't think you're gonna be able to tell the fish apart.
Try me.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
Cucumber.
That one was ahi. That's cucumber. Wait. It just tastes like rice.
No.
Ahi.
No. I think it was salmon.
Oh, dang it. I'm so bad.
Ahi?
No, it's salmon.
Oh no.
You can't taste the difference.
My dreams have come true. You couldn't tell, we have a Mini Cooper, and that's what happens when I'm in charge of purchasing the car. Because I remember when I was a kid, I would literally always ask my dad to get a Jeep, and I don't even blame him. He's smart for not getting a Jeep, but Mini Cooper is the new move.
Hi.
Hi. And
wait, you want to show them something? We were driving here to the coffee shop, and the whole time she's sitting in here. Oh, I'm so car sick. I need to lean my seat back. I can't figure out how to do it. Like, this is not working. Oh, it's not. This is as far as it goes back. Oh, okay, it's gonna be okay. Like, let me check.
I'm literally gonna pass out because Alex's driving is
right
so
here.
Jerky.
It's literally
And then
right
I didn't know. I didn't
right
see
here.
that. I got distracted by this one. And all he says to me is, if I were there, I could figure it out in 10 seconds.
I did.
He kept
And then
saying
I did.
We are here to get some coffee, and then we're gonna pick up some food, eat it. We have a little day for us planned.
Yeah, so excited.
We don't know how to use the aux in this car, and a lot of other things kind of are not working well for us in this car. And so I think my dreams of getting a Mini Cooper have been a little crushed.
Show them the cup holder. Coffee in?
Yeah, it's just like way too low. It literally gets stuck. So we are so hungry. We're really guilty of doing this, but I always want coffee first, and then we end up eating really late. So it's like 1 p.m. now. We're eating in the car. We got these like handmade noodles with pork belly. Really good, pretty expensive, but we drove all the way here and they only do takeout. What do you think? What would you rate it?
9 out of 10. I think it's really good.
Here we are.
Here we are.
We are gonna come back and inform you, but it is pretty muddy right now.
White shoes, white pants,
yeah,
no jeans.
And unfortunately, it was my call to wear pants because we saw this video that said that there's a lot of bugs. And Alex does poorly with bugs.
Okay, that's just me.
We're gonna see if we regret this. Look how pretty it is.
It is, it's gorgeous. Wait, show them.
Show them. Ooh.
What are the lily pads?
Where?
Or whatever those are.
Those are giant lily pads.
Okay, you know that, like giant lily pads.
You can hear the waterfall. Dun, dun. Guys, this is progress so far. We are muddy, but thank goodness for this umbrella. It has actually saved us.
Pay attention to the sound, the one that's coming from your mouth.
I hope you guys can hear.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Holy cow.
We are in the jungle.
It's like completely dry when we started hiking around.
Oh my goodness.
Sat down. I really wanna
We came prepared.
I can't know how it is to be where you so calmly sit.
Found a beautiful beach. We pulled out the snacks. Guys, this is my first time bringing a tripod and it's kind of crazy.
We're at Safeway because Valentine's Day is over and the really, really sweet worker, she gave us these for free.
I can film everything and bring my entire tripod.
It's simply not the reason. You can use any tote bag to hold your stuff.
It's waterproof! I like it!
Together my own, there it is, catching only part of it, to just be, to really see something other.
Oh, they can feed on it,
Dinner.
but the mixed plate, cashier's choice.
Than just me, to lean in, look around, open.
Oh, it's actually good.
The condensed milk on it. How I learned that I like condensed milk so much.
I really do not think it's really good.
We chose good flavors this week.
Look, I just worked it.
Come. What? You don't know how to zoom out.
Oh.
But no, twist it more. There.
Oh, the big one. Melanie's first time driving the coupe.
Yeah, I'm not a
She's
passenger
in the coupe,
princess.
not passenger princess.
We have switched back to the typical driving setup. We are heading to the North Shore. Oh yeah. We did in fact make 2 drink stops. So we got a little coconut honeydew smoothie, and then we also stopped off this cute little coffee shop, and we got like this coconut white chocolate coffee that I want to try remaking at home now. But it was a really cute coffee shop. We're on the way to the North Shore now. And the weather has been so wonky here. It's been raining every like 2 seconds.
Run a few miles down a desert road, stare too long at a cheap wood rose. It's fixing something that's been broken. Go get lost in a little town, get dressed up and just drive around. Get both feet on some solid ground. I'm gonna fill this
at the beach. Thank you.
Protector, everyone.
Fill this bucket up to the top. Fill this bucket up.
Just got back from swimming in these tide pool. I couldn't bring my camera for obvious reasons, but I'm making the effort to show you guys from the car view. Not this, that would be terrifying, although it is very beautiful. But over here you can still see some people, but we were just like flopping around in there for a couple hours. It's actually so fun because you can tell it's very calm and there's a lot of little fishies. And it's been like very on and off rainy here. Trying to figure out what we want to do next. Might get some shea butter. Made it to Matsumoto's before they closed. You could never guess what flavors we got by the colors. Since when is coconut pink?
There's coconut cream.
Actually, did you know?
Lemonade and a colada.
Did you know coconut water's actually pink?
Roji come. Awesome. Kind of chewy.
To the top, fill this bucket up. I'm gonna fill this bucket up to.
What do you have to say about this?
Kona coffee.
Kona
Pure
coffee.
100% black Kona coffee. It's like coffee.
Tastes like coffee.
What do you think?
Smells like water. It tastes pretty normal. You don't think so?
It's like, I think it's like, I don't know, maybe it's my head.
This is taste test number 2. This is probably the most expensive coffee we've ever had. Like $9
something like that. Loki doesn't taste as creamy as it is.
Really?
See that?
Creamy?
No, it is creamy, but it looks like a straight milkshake.
I don't know how much coffee is in it. It's good.
So it has been 10 minutes maybe? Maybe 10 minutes?
Guys, Alex takes a sip. It's huge.
She's quiet. We get this drink and then I hear no words from her. And I'm like, what's going on? And I look over and her mouth is permanently stuck to this straw.
Guess where we are?
Lenny Boo.
It's been a very sweet breakfast kind of day.
Go get lost in a little.
Guys, we just got yelled at for using a bathroom. It's really scary. We got pineapple, halpia, and guava.
Sorry.
That's good. Do you like it?
And she keeps doing this thing where she bites where there's no cream, so the cream just gushes out everywhere. She's like, oh, what's happening?
I'm a pretty messy eater.
It's really messy, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Town. Get dressed up and just drive around. Get both feet
Yes,
on
no.
some solid.
So that was a really quick shopping little round, but we actually did really good. Alex got his shirt. I think I showed you guys. It had like fish all over it. We both got jandals, and I got this bracelet. It kind of looks like hearts. And then I got 2 pairs of earrings. I don't know if anyone else does this, but like when I get something that I like and I'm excited for, I just want to put it on right away. Hopefully they look good together. Ah, so pretty!
Where you so calmly sit. When I'm further my own, there it is. Catching only part of it.
This is our lunch for today.
It's good.
It
It's
looks
really
so good. It looks like pico de gallo.
There's like pico de gallo. The pulled pork is good.
Just got done with Pearl Harbor Part 2. Sounds so weird saying we went twice. We went yesterday, got tickets to go to see the USS Arizona, but they turned the boat off. Like we couldn't go home.
Turned the boat off. It was not safe like sailing conditions, like it was too heavy winds.
This is our little stop for lunch. We're going snorkeling after this.
Bye.
Bye.
To really see something other than just me. To lean in, look around, open up to the sound. If I could give you more than half an ear.
Hi friends, today we got 2 coffees. That didn't taste like coffee. That's okay.
It's so purple.
Taro, Ruben, dark chocolate coconut. We're just on our little morning coffee breakfast run, but today's gonna be fun because we're going surfing after. And Alex actually kind of surfs. I don't really surf. I'm low-key afraid of water, but I think it'll be a fun activity for us together.
You did well at snorkeling yesterday.
Oh my god.
Pretty good. Pretty good at snorkeling yesterday. One hiccup, once more.
Little recap, because we actually didn't use our phones at all today.
By default, we left them in the hotel.
Yeah, but we ended up surfing for a lot longer. We were just being outdoorsy kids. And it was so much fun. There was like the prettiest sunset ever. We have to pack up, leave tomorrow. Sad kids. But we've had a lovely, lovely trip. Well, bye guys. Thank you so much for coming with us. It was such a lovely trip. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little vacation week with us because we had so much fun. Bye guys, we'll see you in the next video back in Malibu, back at Pepperdine.
Bye.
Bye. Good vlogger. Wow. Oops.
On my shirt, on my shirt.
What is going on?
Choking to death.